Hey all, today is Clean the Teak Day. Woohoo, woohoo, one of my favorites. We used to have this guy who did such an awesome job, but can't find him anymore. Anyway, grade teak. Ours is not stained because we like the natural look. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to start out by just rinsing it down and then washing it and scrubbing it against the grain with water and white vinegar. And the key thing with that is, like I said, going against the grain, get all the dirt up, make sure it's thoroughly rinsed. And then the second step we're going to do is we're going to add a little bit, scrub it down with some oxalic acid, just a little bit, not a whole bunch, and let you know how that turns out. So wish me luck. I'd like to thank our sponsors, Yachtwave, Marine Technology Solutions for boat owners, manufacturers, and yacht managers, AI-powered maintenance delivery platforms, and fleet management. And Signature Yachts, your Northwest dealer for Beneteau sailboats, Bally catamarans, and X-Shore 100% electric boats. So here is a picture of Zane with the dirty teak. Before we get started, just so you have a reference of what it looks like before we go. So I've scrubbed a little bit on the back side already and the front, and like I said, vinegar, and then we also threw a little bit, you can use a little bit of Dawn to get any oil stains out. We've got these stains on the back. They just showed up this year. We're not sure where they came from, but we're going to keep scrubbing away, and we'll let you know what it looks like after we're done scrubbing. So I just wanted to show you real quick here. You can see the line there just from the initial scrub of this side of the door as opposed to that side of the door. We have not scrubbed that part yet, and that's just with the basic water and vinegar. So we're going to continue to press on, but you can see the difference already. Okay, so you can see the green right here. This is before I start scrubbing with the vinegar and the water. So I want to show you how green it is. And then I'll give you some footage after we do the vinegar water. Okay, so here's another shot after we just took the vinegar and the water to it. You can see already it's starting to clean up very nicely. Got rid of a lot of those spots already. And got a little bit of line over there from the door still. Probably some of that's fading, but it looks 100% better. So now we're gonna give the acylic acid a shot. The key thing through this whole process is keep rinsing. Keep rinsing, rinse the vinegar off. Same thing with the acylic acid, just keep rinsing. All right, as a quick recap, we've got ungroomed dog, dirty teak, and then groomed clean dog and clean teak. Start with the vinegar and water, scrub against the grain, thoroughly rinse, and then move on to the acylic acid with water and thoroughly rinse. Hope you enjoy the results.